Hello and welcome. My name is Frank, and this is the 4K Plus action camera. If you clicked on this video, that means you're interested in knowing how to set the time and date. And there's some people that still use this camera. I use it myself too. I have a little bonus as well. So a viewer asked me, how do you set the time and date? So let's go jump into it. Let me show you exactly how to do that. All right, so the first thing you want to do with your camera is turn it on. Hold down the button right there, and it's going to come on. And you're going to wait till you see these little icons on the top, and it is a touch screen, so all you have to do is go on the cogwheel and you gotta tap on the cogwheel. And this is why a lot of people can't find where to set the time and date. And so we're gonna do another cogwheel. This one is in the middle, a lot bigger. Okay, on this cogwheel we're gonna go into the sub menu. See, it's lit up green, and then we're gonna go over on the side and we're just gonna use our finger. You're gonna keep going and you're gonna look for advance. Okay, so we're going to keep going, bring us up, and there's advance. Now we're under the advance menu. Okay, we're going to go down, and there it is. Set the date, set the time. So let's set the date. I already have set the date, but if you want to know how to do that, you're just simply going to use your finger, and you're just going to move that up like that to however you need it. Very easy to do it, and you're just going to go to the next one and just touch the next one until you're done, and then that's set. Then you're just going to click the little check mark there, and that's set to go. And then if you want to set the time, you just want to do the same thing. So for here, do PM like that, and you just use your finger. Just highlight the little tabs there and just go up and down like that. Set it to whatever time you need, and then we're gonna check mark that. Now we're already set our time and date. Now it's set. Now the other thing I want to show you, this is a little bonus here. There is a way to add a timestamp to your videos and your pictures. So we're gonna go on the camera icon, and then we're just gonna go up. Just do it with your fingers, and then see right there, timestamp, and we're gonna make sure it's on, and then it's gonna ask you which one do you want. You want the date and the time, so we're just gonna do, okay, it's highlighted by this little green tab, so you know that it's the date that you want, or you can have the time. It's up to you. Just change it to however you need, or you can have both. See that right there? You can have both. So we do that, and we'll just come out of here. Okay, and another thing that I want to show you as well is this is a little bonus here. This percentage that shows up on a battery, that wasn't there before, so I found that inside the menu once again. So let's go in here, and we're going to go to this cogwheel. We're going to go to advance. Click on advance, and then we're going to go, and there it is. See that battery percentage? All you're gonna do is turn it on. So I have it on already. So, but if you don't have it on, it'll just show. Let me show you. It's gonna show you just that little battery icon right there, which is fine. You can use that too. But I like having the percentage on there. So let me show you what it looks like once it's on. Then we turn the percentage on. Go back. Come out of the menu, and now you have a little percentage. All right, let me know if that was useful to you. Let me know if you got any more questions. I can talk about this camera. I had it for several years now. It's really nice, shoots great footage, and has a lot of features packed into a little package.